Hey, Merchant Wordians. This is Mark Liu. I'm the president of Merchant Words. Just coming in today with a quick tip for you about collections. So we get asked every once in a while, hey, how do I compare different lists of keywords, right? That's part of the reason why we built this collections feature, which is what you're looking at right here. So I'm going to show you how to use that really quickly in a way to compare terms for 4-year-old. So let's just say that that's what I want to target. I've got a product that I'm selling for 4-year-olds. I've already assembled a collection right here that's got a bunch of terms that I pulled in from both Classic Search and from our ASIN Plus, which is a reverse ASIN lookup tool. So let's go and just trigger a search for, let's start here again, 4-year-old toys. So let's see what shows up there, what kind of keywords it could be interesting. Oh, that's a pretty good one. All right, so let's add toys for 4 to 5-year-old boys. Let's see, Toy Story. Probably don't want to target that one. And let's grab this one, dinosaur toys for 4. All right, so I'm going to add them to this list right here. All right, and then let's take a look actually at what shows up on this page here. So I'm going to jump into page 1 search results. Now these are actually the products that show up when you enter this particular term into Amazon, right? And so over here, let's see, we have, let's grab this one. It's got a lot of reviews, as we can see, as of today. And it's got, okay, so this shows up around 26,232 times over the past year on page 1. These are all different page 1s, by the way, not no overlaps. So let's take a look at, let's see, dinosaur toy. All right, let's add that. Maybe 4 kids, because that's surprisingly a lot. And the dinosaur toys. Okay, so I've added all these. I'm going to put them into the same collection, 4-year-old, and once that's in there, we'll go take a look at it. All right, so I'm going to jump back into the collections section. Compare 4-year-old is the list that I built. All right, and here we have it. So now you can see all of the toys that were, all of the keywords for toys that we put in there. Here are some of the new ones like dinosaur toy, right? So you can see compared to the other ones, it's kind of lower down on the list, but still pretty valuable term to use, right? So now you can kind of go through this exercise and you can identify also terms that perhaps don't make sense, right? So let's look at, let's go to my first. Just going to say I don't want to add this one, so I'm going to select it and then delete it from my collection. So that just can kind of do a little bit of data quality and cleanliness, and as I'm kind of analyzing the information. So there you have it. You can put it all into one list. You can stuff up to about 1,000 keywords in there, which is already a pretty massive list if you ask me. And if you want, if you really need to work with it in other places, you can download it. Or if you want to start over and just get rid of it, you can delete it from right here. Okay, that's how you go about collecting keywords, and you can analyze them all in one spot instead of hopping from tab to tab. And you can do this with any plan. So if you need any other help, if you've got any other questions about how we can do this or anything else, please let us know. We'd be happy to shoot a video for you. All right, thanks so much. Be awesome today.